Hi everybody, today I'm going to talk to you about gerunds as objects of a preposition. Right now you should be able to see my screen. And this page is on Canvas, so you can review it on your own. But first we're going to talk about gerunds. What are gerunds? So we've been seeing gerunds in our class so far as words that end with ing. They look like verbs, like eating, cooking, going, learning, practicing, speaking. But they actually, even though they look like verbs, they're actually nouns. I'm highlighting that so you can see that right here. In a sentence, they do what nouns do. So even though they look like a verb, a gerund with ing is really functioning as a noun. Gerunds can be used after prepositions. So words like of, in, about, for, those really small short words, those are prepositions. And after a preposition, you will have a gerund. We can see examples of this in the 3 sentences below. Number 1, research shows that after working in a profession, performance usually plateaus. The preposition is after. The gerund is working. So research shows that after, here you wouldn't say after work or after worked. You wouldn't use a present tense, you wouldn't use a past tense. What you would use there is the gerund. So research shows that after working in a profession, performance usually plateaus. Performance usually evens out. Performance doesn't get better, it doesn't get worse, it just goes even. Let's look at the next sentence. Do you notice that there's a preposition that's bold? It's in bold, it's in. So let's look at the gerunds that come after it. This has been shown to be true in teaching, general medicine, nursing, and other fields. So here you also have 2 examples of gerunds after the preposition. Finally, number 3, it happens because once we think we have become good enough, adequate, then we stop spending time in the learning zone. We focus all our time on doing our job, performing, which turns out not to be a great way to improve. So here the preposition is on, and then we see the gerund doing. Okay, so all these examples make me think about my work right now because I'm learning how to create videos and edit videos and put subtitles or captioning in the videos. So I'm in the learning zone every day right now. I'm learning how to do new things. So a sentence I might use with a preposition and a gerund might be, after making many videos for my classes, I became quicker and more skilled. Or after watching YouTubes on video editing, I became more aware of technological practices. Okay, an easy sentence might be something like, after watching the video, I answered questions. So after would be the preposition, then watching would be the gerund. After watching videos, I answered the reading comprehension questions. Okay, I hope this is helpful.